mind.
Well, what's your reaction?
What?
Nothing. Just keep watching. I saw that Twitch.
God, it's so bright.
She's like, look behind me. Oh my god.
Oh, and he takes the knife.
Avery, you got your video. Oh, here we go again. And she says she's not a pussy.
I'm not.
Then what the hell jump was that?
I hate that knife. Where are the other people?
They're asleep.
What?
They're asleep. I'm not talking anymore now. Shush.
I'm nervous.
Oh yeah, Avery. She's definitely not a pussy.
Can I watch the video after?
Yeah, sure. But you're not deleting it. You're just like, Mommy!
No, I'm not.
Yeah, because you're definitely not pussy.
I'm not.
Ow, my ass! That hurt! Your elbows are bony.
Oh crap! The brick moved. See, he's so stupid. Like, he should get out of there. Oh, no, it's not a brick. But it's moving. He takes a freaking sword. It was just a snake. Just a snake. I hate snakes. But it was just a snake.
You look fine.
Mr. Boogie. Amber. Vicky. Mom. Dad. Mr. Boogie. Dad. Mom. Ronnie. Mr. Boogie. Mom. Dad. Jake. Mr. Boogie. Oh, okay. Mr. Boogie's not good. I think he's in the same room. Okay. Just a book.
Avery, I think I'm good.